Hello viewers, it's good to be here again. It's me, Rachel, your optimistic driver. We're going to talk about how you can effectively market or advertise your business or your products to your desired customers or your target audience. Marketing involves the activities, strategies, and processes your business has to undertake in order to create, communicate, and deliver value to its customers. It encompasses various components, various elements such as service development, market research, product, price distribution, customer relationship, market research, and customer relationship management. The goal of marketing is in order to understand what the customers want, what their needs are, and how to effectively communicate your value of products or services to your target audience. Now, what are the key aspects of marketing? What are they? The first one is market research. Yes, first of all, you have to research. I'm always talking about market research, market research, market research in most of my videos. Yes, this is very, very important, and this is a key point. You have to gather and analyze information about your target audience, your target market, your customer behavior, and your competitors. If you don't know these things, honestly, your business will not work. That is the truth, because these are key points in a successful business. Now, the next thing you have to think about is your target market segmentation. Identifying specific groups of customers with similar characteristics or needs is also very important. Then we'll go to the third point, which is product or service development. You need to create and enhance offerings in order to meet your customers' demands. Then we also go to a very important point, which is pricing strategy. This is very important because you can't just make a product and give it to your customers without collecting something in return. And you can't give your products to your customers and collect something which of little amount as compared how much you spent, as compared how much your capital was in return. So pricing is very, very important. Now, determining the approach or the appropriate pricing for products or services based on market dynamics and value. This you need to consider. Then another point you need to look at is distribution channels. Yes, when you make a product, only you cannot distribute the product to different customers. You also need people to help you. So you need to decide how your products or services will reach its customers, whether you need retailers or whether you prefer doing an online sales, or whether you prefer meeting your customers directly, that's a direct sales. And some people say only them sell their products. This is not true, because if you are selling a product and you are at a particular location and somebody you are at location A and somebody at location M needs your product, how easy will you be able to move from location A to location M if you don't need a logistics to help you? So you also need people to help you while growing your business. Now we'll look at another point, which is branding and positioning of your business. You need to establish a unique brand. You need to establish a unique brand identity and differentiate your business from your competitors. This is also important. Differentiating your business from your competitors is by making your product more unique than their product, adding something to your product which their products do not have. If you produce a particular thing like a liquid soap, for example, if your competitors have a particular unique selling point, you look for something different from theirs to add. For example, your competitors, those who also sell liquid soap, they have different flavors. Assuming they have pineapple flavor, they have mango flavor, they have orange flavor, and so on. When you buy their liquid soap, it smells like pineapple, it smells like mango fruit, it smells like strawberry, and so on. You can make yours unique. How can you make yours unique? Do you know that you can actually mix different fruits together to bring a unique scent, which will be totally different from that of your competitors? You know that your customers, when they buy your competitors product, when they buy it and they use it, they smell banana, or they smell mango, or they smell orange. But when they buy yours, they have there's a particular smell that comes, and they are confused that what kind of flavor is this. But you have used your IQ or your brain to make yours unique by mixing different flavors together, or mixing different smells or scents together, and putting it in a product. Do you understand? And giving it a unique name. Doing that, your product is different from that of your competitors. So it depends on the kind of business you're doing. There are some other people also, they think of something unique to add to their product to make theirs different and catchy to the customers, and different from that of their competitors. So you have to think about something unique. Now, another thing you need to work on is marketing communication. Effective communication is very, very important in the business. Yes, you have to develop strategies and tactics to effectively communicate with your target audience that will bring a lasting relationship between you and your customers. This will help. And if there is a lasting, effective, that's good communication between you and your customers, this will even help you to get more customers, because they will help you advertise your products. They will talk about your products. Know how? To their friends, to their families, to their colleagues. They will talk about your products and advertise your products, either directly or indirectly, to other people, and you get more customers, and your business keeps on growing. So communication is very important. Now, you also have to think about marketing metrics and analysis. Yes, you always have to analyze your business or your products. See the progress of each, see the growth. Tracking and analyzing your market performance and outcomes will help you to make the right decision. If you're analyzing your business and you see that so far it has not grown to a point where you need it to be at a particular point, this should inform you to make a decision that will help you meet the point you want to meet in the next few years, which you want it to. Now, I would like us to go deep into it by talking about advertising. Advertising is a specific component of marketing. We just talked about marketing. That's why I said I want us to go deep into it. Now, what is advertising? This is a specific component of marketing that focuses on paid communication to communicate or to promote your business or services. It involves creating persuasive messages and delivering them through various means, through various channels, to reach the target audience. Now, did you get this? Advertising is a paid communication. So marketing is actually an unpaid communication. It's a way of reaching your customers without making payments. But advertising is a paid communication. If you look at my previous videos, I've actually talked about advertising, different ways of advertising your product. But we'll still go deep into this in today's video. But you can still watch my previous videos. Advertising aims to raise awareness by generating interest and stimulating demand of a business offerings. Now, there are key aspects of advertising in our business, in our different businesses. Now, let me talk about the general key aspects which I would like you to make sure you put to mind and consider in your business. The first one we'll talk about is advertising strategy. What do I mean by that? You need to develop a strategic approach to reach your target audience and achieve your advertising goals. Targeting approach to reach your target audience could be through different means, but we'll still talk about that as we go further in this video. Now, the second thing you need to consider is creative development. Yes, in your business you just need to be creative. You need to think about several things. You need to have several ideas. You need to designing and compelling and engaging advertisements that resonate with your target audience. This will help. You have to design several things in order to make sure whatever you're doing it catches the attention of your target audience. That's the main goal. Another point you need to consider is media planning and buying. What do I mean? Identifying appropriate advertising channels is very important. For example, it could be on TV, during TV programs, during very popular TV programs. It could be on radio. It could be through prints. It could also be online. This should be done by securing ad placements on different channels. When I say online, there are different channels you can advertise your product online. It could be on your social media handles, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube. You could even create a website in order to advertise your product on the website, and you could do Google ads too. This will help. Now, another point you need to think of also in advertising your business is through campaigns. Yes, campaign execution. Implementing advertising campaigns will help when you go across chosen channels and platforms. Then a very important point is the message or the content delivery. You have to think of what message you can put in the advert to make your customers persuaded to buy your product. What kind of content, what kind of message? Now, crafting persuasive messaging and content that communicates the value of your product or services is also very important. Another very important point which I love talking about in the business is ad performance measurements. You need to analyze or evaluate the performance of your advert so far. Look at it. Okay, I did an advert on my product. How many target audience have I gotten? How many products have been bought between when the advert started till now? You need to analyze everything and see if there is a difference, a positive difference, and see if there is a growth in your business or not. If there is no growth in your business, then you have to think about another way you can advertise your product to your customers. Likely the channel you used or the way or the message you added to the advert was not effective, did not communicate well with your target audience. Another point is ads optimization. What do I mean? You need to make data-driven adjustments and refinements to improve advertising performance. This is also important. Then the last point, which is the 8th point, is ads compliance and regulations. Yes, ensuring adherence to legal and ethical advertising standards is also very important. If you look at today's digital age, we can see that marketing and advertising have also expanded, yes, to include online strategies such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, that's the SEO, content marketing, yes, influencer partnerships, and much more. A combination of both the traditional and digital marketing tactics helps your business, or will help your business to reach and engage well with its target audience. So can you see that advertising is very, very important? Now, if you look at Facebook ads, Facebook allows you to advertise your business. If you want to meet, for example, 100,000 people at in, let me just say, like 5 days, Facebook ads, if you want to use Facebook ads, you will have to pay some amount of money in order to meet that. And when you do that, you see that there will be a difference in your business, which means in advertisement you have to run through a paid channel. You could also do flyers that you give people. You could do that and you reach your customers, but honestly, online advert is faster to reach a higher number of target audience than sharing of flyers. Then another way you can advertise your business is through, you can actually hire dancers and a DJ to play music with pictures of your products on the streets in your community, and you see dancers dancing to catch people's attention. You could advertise your products through that. But honestly, I will still tell you, a more effective way of advertising your products is online through paid ads. You'll be able to get a higher number of target audience that you want to, and within a stipulated time. I will stop here in today's video. I hope you have gained something today. If you did not get some points in the video, you are free to play the video over and over again until you have picked the very important point, and you start seeing how you can implement it in your business. You start seeing how you can add it to your business plan. And I wish you all the best in your business. I would like it if you like this video, share to as much people as possible, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that now. Hit the subscription button and turn on the notification icon. And once again, I welcome all returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back to watch my video and watching it to the end. See you in upcoming videos. Bye.